Unlike normal AI that waits for your prompt, Agentic AI takes the lead. It decides, acts, and adapts on its own. Agentic AI refers to systems that operate autonomously to achieve goals. These aren't simple chatbots. They're intelligent agents that think, reason, and execute like a smart teammate. Let's break it down. Agentic AI is checkmark autonomous. It doesn't need you to micromanage. Goal-driven. It knows what it's trying to do. Adaptive. It learns and adjusts in real time. Interactive. It communicates across systems or even with you. You've already seen early Agentic AI, Siri, Alexa, and smart assistants. But now, agents can write code, do research, even run your business workflows. All Agentic AI systems are agents, but not all agents are truly agentic. Some follow strict rules. Agentic AI makes complex decisions, learns, and evolves, powered by tools like GPT-4 or reinforcement learning. Real-world examples: research agents that write full reports, customer service bots that solve issues without scripts, sales agents that adapt to customer emotions. This is already happening. Agentic AI isn't the future. It's here now. Ready to build or use one? Hit that subscribe for tutorials, tools, and real agent walkthroughs.